about that time. You know the intro. Let's get it started. Alright, family. Welcome to another edition of Melanated Economic News. Alright. The day is September 15, 2020. The time is 4:01 in the morning, just before I head out to work. So let's go and get started. Started with the markets. Let's look into the S&P futures. It's up. It looks like they're going to open up this morning. That could change at the time. They're up about 8.25 points. The Dow futures is up 68 points even. And the NASDAQ futures is up 43.25 points even. Alright, the Russell's 2000 futures are up 5.30 points. Alright. Alright, we go look at the FTSE 100. The FTSE 100 is up 13.0 points. They're up. Remember, the European and Asian markets are up right now. Alright, so this is fluctuating. So the FTSE 100 right now is fluctuating at about 12.72 and fluctuating. The Nikkei 225 is down 104.41 points. Alright, let's get into some cryptos. The Bitcoin USA is up about $65.25 dollars. The CMC Crypto 200 is up about $8.40. Alright. The VIX is down about 0.92 points. The bond, 10-year bond, that's the U.S. bond, is at 0.6710. All right. The currencies, the GBP to the U.S. dollar is up is right now 1.2888. All right. The U.S. dollar to the Japanese yen 105.73. Fluctuating because remember the Asian and European markets are open right now. All right. The euro to the U.S. dollar is up about 1.1883. All right. I get into the crude oil. Crude oil is down 17 cents to about $37.09 a barrel. Gold, because of the Asian market, the Asian and European markets, is up $7.70 to about $1,971.40. All right. Silver is up 13 cents to about $27.49. All right. All right. So that's it for today. Look at the futures markets ahead and what's going on right now overseas. This time we're going to get into some real juicy news, courtesy John Williams at shadowstats.com. All right. The August numbers are in. All right. Some of them are in. All right. August 2020 money supply. The M1 money supply hit a record high, 40.0% year to year and growth rate amidst extreme economic liquefaction by the Fed and related mounting domestic inflation pressures. All right. Courtesy of July 10th and 11th. All right. The Federal Reserve Board, or the FRB. All right. Shadow Stats ongoing 3M estimates in context of massive. All right. In the context of massive money supply expansion by the Fed and general market shift to include more liquid assets, seasonally adjusted annual growth in the most liquid M1 money supply category rose to an unprecedented 40%, 40.0%, all right, in August 2020 from its prior record annual gain of 38.1% in July. All right, while August M2 increased month to month, its the annual change stagnated at its record high of 23.3%. All right, while the Shadow Stats ongoing M3 second month to 24.5%, down from 25.7% in July, and a record 26.6% in June. All right, where annual growth in monetary base led M3 lower. The monetary base and annual growth gain is on the rise. Related graphs and methodology are available to all the alternate data tapped above. All right, so the money supply has been increased. Whenever you have increased money supply of any of these fiat currencies, that means it's in deep trouble. They're trying to keep the system liquidated. All right. All right. And then you got another one, mounting inflation pressures. Okay. Other than July's 0.62% core inflation, the August 2020 Consumer Price Index, or the CPI index, the core inflation of 0.39% was the highest reading in 25 years. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, as negative inflation impact on the oil price war continues to dissipate. Dissipate. All right, monthly related CPIU contained to come in stronger than expected in July 2020, up 0.4%, or the 0.37%. All right, or 3.0% expected versus a 0.6% in July, year to year, by 3.1% in August versus 0.99% in July. Net food good and net food and energy prices, monthly core inflation continues spiking to levels not seen in decades. Year to year headline core CPIU should top the FMOC's former upper limit of 2.5% in the next month or two. Hence the recent change in the target. All right. So you got mounting inflation. Most people have already figured this out, that your dollar, the money in your pockets, that fiat currency called dollars, is not carrying weight as much as your purchasing power, steady diminishing and diminishing. All right. So we got two articles from John Williams and ShadowStats.com. All right, the money increased the money supply, along with the correlation with the increased money supply, trying to keep the system liquid, that's causing the actual value of the dollar to go down, and your purchasing power is not as good as it is. All right, the next story here is from SDBullion.com. All right, new financial crisis laws, bail-ins, bank bail-ins, and money market freezes. All right, this is we went back in time for this one. This is it's relevant to today. Okay, all right, bail-in laws. All right, we skip down in the article. Okay, this article was actually posted on September 6, 2019. All right, but this is still relevant to today, so we'll go over this one. All right, all right. G20. This is the bank bail-in laws. G20 and the world's 19 largest economies, including the USA and European Union together, a group of 20 additionally are representative in the International Monetary Fund, IMF. So IMF, International Monetary Fund, and the World Bank. The G20 finance ministers and central bank governors began the meeting in 1999 at the suggestion of the G7 finance ministers in response to various financial crises in the 90s. All right, here's why they came into play.